I encourage all of my families to get a throat scope is because I want parents to be able to look in a child's mouth if their appetite suddenly goes down. A lot of times, kids' appetite will drop a few days before they're going to get sick. And especially nowadays, we're really concerned about measles, aren't we? And I don't know if all of you know this, but in the recent years, I've learned more about what we call Koplik spots or Koplik spots. And what those are they look like little spots, almost like a little white grain of sand with a red ring around them. And they're right here across from our first molar if we're about to get the measles. So before your child even develops a fever, you can use a device like a throat scope to light up, illuminate your child's mouth, and just look inside to see if you detect those spots. Again, it's like a tiny grain of white sand, and each one is surrounded by a little ring. They typically appear, about 2 or 3 days, maybe. It's hard to say, before the child actually gets the rash, and they'll occasionally extend all the way into the rest of the mucosa, but then they disappear after the rash develops. So Koplik spots or Koplik spots, Koplik, those can be noted in at least 50 to 70% of patients with measles if the examination is timely. So another thing to think about.